I have probably used every single crypto exchanges that has ever been allowed in this country. I'm talking about exchanges that has every single feature you want, every single feature you can think of. But guess what? That exchange isn't allowed in Canada anymore. I have used exchanges where it freezes my funds and I felt like I was going to go Super Saiyan. But don't worry, I ended up getting my money back. And I use exchanges right now where it doesn't matter if I'm making an investment or a trade at 3 p.m. or 3 a.m. They have 24/7 hour support and they respond fast. I've used terrible exchanges that were recommended by Instagram influencers, and once I deposit my money in there, the exchange vanishes and I lose my money. So throughout all my years of experiences, these are the exchanges that I recommend, divided into two categories. Category one are those that are looking to invest. So you're looking to hold your crypto for more of a longer period of time. Category two are for people that are looking more to swing trade, to day trade, so you're looking to make profit in the short term. Now, keep in mind that this list might change because in Canada, exchanges are always coming and going, but as of this year, these are all the exchanges that are allowed in Canada and that I use, but some of them are based outside of Canada, but as Canadians, we can still use them. I'm going to use 4 different categories to rank all these different exchanges, and number one is going to be fees. The whole purpose of you investing and trading crypto is to make as much money as possible. So when you have these exchanges that are just eating away at your money because of their fees, then it may not be worth it to really use that exchange. The second thing we're going to evaluate is going to be support. I guarantee you, especially if you are new to crypto, you're going to reach a point where you are just so frustrated, you are so confused, so lost, and you are going to need some help from the people who actually run the exchange. So having good support is a big factor. The third one is going to be crypto, because if you want to buy or invest in a crypto, but that exchange doesn't have it, then there's absolutely no point using that exchange. And there are certain exchanges that are always listing new crypto that are just significantly better. Fourth is going to be feature, because there's so many different ways to make money in crypto. Some exchanges are great for investing. Some exchanges are great for swing trading, day trading. Some allow you to stake, option, future. So that's going to be our last evaluation factor. Out of all of these exchanges, if I am just looking to invest, the exchange that I rank number 3 would be crypto.com, and the exchange that I rank number 2 would be Kraken, and the exchange that I rank number 1, drumroll please, would be Newton. And the reason why I would rank Newton as number 1 is because, first of all, Newton has absolutely no fees for you to deposit your funds into the exchange. So regardless if you just want to deposit $10 or $10,000, there is absolutely no cost. And number 2, there's no cost if you want to make a withdrawal. Once you want to take your funds outside of your crypto exchange into your bank account via e-transfer, there is absolutely no fees to that. And number 3 is, out of all of those exchanges, Newton has the best customer service. A lot of these other exchanges, they have more of a website support, they have an in-app support, but Newton has 2 different support. They have their website in-app support, but they have an actual Discord community, meaning I can go on the Discord and I can see which employees are online, meaning it's their actual work hours. So if I'm having an issue and I see Jessica's online, I can literally say, I'm having issue with my crypto, put the @ Jessica, so Jessica sees it right away, instead of just saying I'm struggling and I'm in some random queue and I don't know how long it's going to be till I get some support and help. So having that Discord support where I can go in whenever I want, I can see all the employees that are on, I can message the employees directly and get my support right away, makes life significantly easy. And the great part about that is, when you even submit an issue on the Newton app and you go into the Discord and you say what your issue is, a lot of those Discord support team will now ask you what's your ticket number, and they'll even push your ticket number to the top of the list. And that's what always happens to me, and I get help right away. I know what you're thinking.
Naicke Kalala, you're speaking very highly of Newton.
Yes, I am, but Newton also has areas of improvement, specifically when it comes to staking. When it comes to that, they only have one crypto that you can stake, which is Ethereum. So all the other altcoins, when you're holding it for such a long period of time, you're not able to make passive income. So if that's your goal as an investor, to also make that passive income, then I recommend looking at the crypto exchange that I ranked number 2, which was Kraken, because Kraken has significantly more altcoins that you're able to stake, which doubles your income. Your income from holding the crypto, because price goes up, you make money. Your second income from staking that crypto, because you're getting paid in that crypto as well. But I do know that Newton is actively working on having more cryptos that you can stake. If you're looking to make money in the short term, you're looking to swing trade, you're looking to day trade, the two exchanges that I recommend. Second place, I give it to crypto.com. And the first place goes to Kraken. One of the reasons why I love the Kraken exchange for this is because number one, they have a basic version. Number two, they have a pro version. So when you go onto the app store, you can see the basic and the pro version, which is legitimately created for people that are looking for more advanced charting, more advanced capability. You can not just take long positions and make money when the crypto market goes up, but you can also short and make money while the crypto market goes down. And you're not just limited to your traditional market orders, limit orders. You can do trailing orders. You can do multiple cut loss orders. And the big factor for me was Kraken allows you to connect external third-party crypto bot platforms. So now you can have your money in Kraken while sleeping, and the crypto bot is trading for you, making you money while you're out doing other things. And Kraken is such a proactive platform. They're always adding new cryptos on there, and they have a fairly good list of different cryptocurrency that you can stake. And the great part about staking on Kraken is if you want to unstake it, it only takes a few minutes. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you can unstake your crypto, get all your money and move it around, deposit it, withdraw it to wherever you want. And on top of that, they have a good support. Now, they don't have an external support on a Discord platform. Their support is on their website, but I've used the support. They're fairly fast and they know what they're doing. Now, the only negative that I see in Kraken is when it comes to shorting, the requirements are pretty high and a lot of people won't be able to qualify for it. But if you're new to crypto trading and investing, shorting is not the way to go. That's something that comes after time once you've honed your craft a little bit. And then the other part, when you make deposits or withdraw, they do charge you. Now, they don't charge you a lot. It's about 0.05%, but there are other exchanges that charge you absolutely nothing. But even with those features, if I had to pick the number one exchange to make short-term profit, it would still be Kraken over a lot of the other exchanges. You've made it this far in the video, so please listen up and remember this point. If there is anything you take from this video, what I'm about to say is the most important point. Do not marry any crypto exchange. There is you, there's the crypto exchange, and the goal. The crypto exchange is just a way for you to get to your goal. And the reason why I say that is you will have time when a crypto exchange is having issues. For some reason, they're struggling to do deposit, or for some reason they can't do this type of order, or for some reason withdrawals have been frozen. So it is very important to have multiple different crypto exchanges in case one exchange is giving you issues. And in Canada, there has been so many different exchanges that have come and that have been banned or for whatever reason are no longer allowed in Canada. But when these new exchanges come, they're typically really great and they have a lot of features. So when a new exchange comes, do a little bit of homework on them, and they may be here just for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, but use them while they're available, especially if they have that feature that you've been waiting for or a feature that you really need. And lastly, if you have a large sum of money, don't take all of that money and just dump it all into one exchange. Take that money and actually diversify it in exchanges. Have some here, and have some there. And that goes back to the previous point, because if one exchange runs into issue, you have these other exchanges you can use. And if that one particular exchange that you use doesn't have the crypto that you're looking for, then just go to Coinbase.com or go to CoinGecko, look up that crypto, and right there it will list you which exchange has that cryptocurrency, and you can open up an exchange. And I've never seen any exchange that is not free for you to open up, and you can now start investing or trading that crypto. If you're struggling in crypto or you're new to crypto, check out the free resource that I have in the description. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed it.